Welcome to Abe's Front Porch Talk. Hope you YouTubers are doing good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to tell you that we're going to talk about homeowners insurance. And I don't think it's right that we should have to pay 15 to 20 years for homeowners insurance just to get told they are not going to pay us. And after you pay all this money, and when the foundation of your home is breaking and you need help for the repairs, or you're going to have to get a new home and your insurance company is telling you, no, we're not paying. Well, I don't know what to say to you. You got the money to have all your foundations fixed. You've got the money as an insurance agent or insurance adjuster to have all this work done to your home all year round to keep it up and pay people to come out to do it themselves. And some of us, we don't have the time. We don't have the money to pay a construction crew to come out here and keep our homes up for us for what they charge. A lot of people is just barely getting by, and you act like it's none of your problems, but I'm going to tell you, it is, and that's your job to help people. You may think, well, you're just trying to say things and stuff. No, I'm just going to tell you now, it is rough to not have much money. And sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. My mind just took off. Anyways, we got to stick together, us poor folks. We need to start taking a stand and saying that something must be done with these insurance companies where they cannot walk all over people anymore. That's like going to a restaurant, ordering your meal, and the waitress comes out and says, we're not going to give you your meal. We decided not to. But we just took your money. Thank you for stopping by. Would you not be mad? Wouldn't you be demanding your meal that you paid for? I mean, come on, think about it. So why should homeowners insurance or any type of insurance you take, automobile insurance, whatever it is, say no, turn you down after paying for it all these years? Would you want to go to a restaurant and pay for a meal and then they tell you, sorry, you can't have your meal today? I know I would be mad. I'd be pretty ticked off. These insurance adjusters and these insurance agents, they have money to keep their house up. They have money to do whatever they want to. Take fancy trips, probably go here, go there, do whatever it is that they're wanting to do. They can hire a construction crew to come out to their house every year and do work. But a lot of us, we can't. We don't have the income to afford to pay a construction crew or to even buy the material to keep up the upkeeps. Something with our government needs to be done to make these homeowners insurance say no more. You cannot walk all over these people. They pick out a policy. It doesn't matter how old the house is. If it gets an age on it and it starts wearing down and it needs to be fixed, or it has fallen apart because of the age and the foundation, you pay up. You get them another home right there on their land if that's where they want to be at, whatever. But don't make people have to suffer and struggle when you're going home to these insurance adjusters. When you're going home and you're getting in your nice, comfortable bed, especially in the wintertime, and not even thinking anything about it, sitting down eating a nice meal, watching your big flat screen, probably 70-inch TV if you got one, and then going to your nice king size bed, probably if you even have that, with the best comfortable mattress, and other people basically living on the floor in some circumstances. I'm just saying. Get your act together. Get your act together. You know, money is the root of all evil. And that is so true. It's all about money, seems like. You may think that you just got a job to do, and that in this job that you have to do, that you're getting by, but I'm telling you, one of these days, you're going to have to answer to God. And when you stand before Him, and He mentions to you about turning people away, and you say, well, it's my job, you think He's going to look at, well, your job just sent you to hell. You knew better. He'll probably even look at you, did you not go to church and sing, oh, how you love Jesus so much, and whatever, but then you turn people away? Supposed to be my child, but yet when somebody was needing shelter, food, clothes, water, you said no. It doesn't matter what type of job you have. Your job can send you to hell. You better start looking out. This homeowner's insurance needs to change in this area as well, because I know a family personally that lost their home to a house fire. No insurance company would not put this home to be insured for this family. They said they've talked to several different insurance companies, and they were turned down because of the age of the home. Plus, it did not meet the insurance company standards of their codes or something like that. It should not matter how old the house is. If that's the only thing someone can afford and they need in it, they have a lot of prized possessions. You may think that what they may have is junk, but to them, it may be souvenirs. It might be gold to them. But you may look at, oh, well, it's just junk. If they're going to buy a nasty old house like that, what kind of people are they? Well, you should be ashamed of yourself for even trying to think that way and judge them by somebody's outer appearance. But this poor family lost everything they had, and the community had to come together and help and give them clothes, to help them lumber, when all this could have been taken care of by the insurance company. And the community still could help, but their house should have been rebuilt by the insurance company. This needs to change as well. There's several people out here where the insurance companies would not insure the homes. And then they lose everything they got through a disaster like fires and no telling what other type of disasters. And then the homeowner's insurance like, no, we're not paying. Or we wouldn't insure you. We're not going to do it. That's wrong, and that's messed up. Once again, this is where it falls back to the insurance company where they get to go to their homes and eat their nice meals and live a good life knowing that they got the best insurance living in the fine mansion homes that they have compared to a shack. There's no difference in somebody living in a little shack to a mansion home that you're living in, and you don't want to insure that shack and make sure they can at least have something where it could be rebuilt if a fire did break out. That is so wrong not to insure. That is just, it's messed up. And not only that, but what about if these people had company that came over, or a stranger walked up on their land knocking on the door to sell or trying to invite you to some type of function, and that person fell and got hurt on the land, then that person that owns the home is responsible for the injuries of the person that got hurt. Where the homeowner's insurance could at least pay for that person's injuries. But when no insurance companies will not insure the home, then why are the insurance companies turning people down, and the government says, and then our government says you have the right to sue the homeowner, and then they still end up probably losing out, their credit's been ruined. This is a messed up ordeal, and I'm sorry folks, my thoughts keep trying to run faster than I'm talking. We need to do something about this. It's not right if the insurance companies will not insure our homes, and then someone gets hurt on our property and we get sued and we have to pay for it out of our own pocket. That's not right. If the homeowners insurance, if these insurance companies would insure the homeowners, I get it out here in a minute. I'm sorry, folks. I get tongue-tied a lot, as you can already tell. But if the insurance companies will give the homeowners insurance to cover stuff like that, then what's wrong with giving them some insurance? At least for some type of disaster, like such as fires and whatever else. Nobody should be turned away for no reason from an insurance company. That's messed up. Very messed up. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. And thank you for watching Abe's Front Porch Talk. Pass this along, share it. And I'll try to do my best to find some more stuff to talk about. And enjoy.